Welcome back to my channel. Just gonna do a quick get ready with me. I have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Universe. I picked this up on Ulta on sale. It looks like this. And I'm gonna use the setting powder. Alright, then I'm going to use the blush. I'm going to use, what have we got? Actually, I'm going to do bronzer first. Use this, and I'm going to use this bronzer right here. Now that I'm all bronzed up, let me just try to... Alright, then I'm going to use this Rose blush right here. That came out nice. Gonna put on some eye primer. And for my palette, not new on market, but this is why I can't be a makeup reviewer, because I can never get the product out right away. I'm just way too busy. Well, anyways, I picked this up in December during the December sales. The Tartelette Full Bloom. You can still get this at Sephora, I believe. I just thought I wanted to do a pretty neutral palette today. All right. I'm going to use my synthetic brushes. These are BK Beauty, and then I have some Angie Hot and Flashy. I'm going to go in to Oasis, which is right here, and set the eye. Pretty. And I'm going to take the same brush and go into Witty, which is right here, and put that in my crease. Then I'm going to take this brush, which is the BK Beauty 205, and go into Spring Fling, which is right here, and put that in my outer V. Then I'm going to take my shimmer brush from Angie. I'm going to go into Eye Catching, which is the shimmer right here, and put that on the lid. So far, I'm liking the look. It's very neutral. Then I have a new Pat McGrath lipstick. It's called Nude Romantique. It's from the Grwm collection. Look at the pretty packaging. And her lipsticks are very deceiving. I thought this was going to be dark, but it's not. Very beautiful. Well, anyways, I love this lipstick. Glad I made the purchase. And then this Tartelette Full and Boom. This is the perfect everyday palette. I'm sure you guys already have this if you haven't already gotten it. I'm hoping to get a lot more use out of it. Well, anyways, if you like video... Oh, Hourglass. I'm glad I picked this up. I'm glad I picked this up on sale. It's really nice. The blushes is good. The bronzers are good. Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video.